Hey everyone, it's your favorite Pick Instant back again with another exciting video for you all. In this one, I'm going to be giving you my top 5 best cute gaming headsets for girls that are currently available on the market. These products have either helped me a lot in my business or just appeal to me personally. So without further ado, let's get started. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. At number 5. Razer. Do you want to buy the best pink gaming headset on the market? If that's the case, the Razer Kraken Kitty headset will answer. The Razer Kraken Cat Ear headset has cooling gel-infused cushions, so you don't have to worry about overheating while playing your favorite game. In addition, this wired gaming headset features lights on the cute kitty ear and the 3-snake symbol location. It's ideal for female gamers because it has 7.1 surround sound, provides realistic audio quality, and has an active noise-canceling microphone, allowing you to speak freely while playing. The Razer Kraken Best Wired Gaming Headset also includes a toggle button to control volume, and this cool gaming headset also has a USB port, allowing you to connect it to your computer or laptop with ease. There are a few things to keep in mind while purchasing this headset. First, only Windows systems can control chroma lighting through Synapse 3. And only Windows 10 64-bit supports THX spatial audio. According to our analysis, the Razer Kraken is the best wired gaming headset for girls. At number 4. SATA's. The SATA's Angel Edition gaming headset is ideal for female gamers who want a pink gaming headset with mic options. The SATA's pink headset works with multiple platforms, which means you can connect it to the PS4, laptops, computers, Xbox One, and so on. It contains a 50mm stereo speaker with superb audio quality, as well as a versatile and bending microphone that allows you to communicate with your buddies while playing games easily. In addition, the SATA's Mauer Pink wired headset has a noise-canceling feature that allows you to talk or play without distracting background noises. The headband and earmuff are composed of soft leather, allowing you to adjust the headband and use it for extended periods comfortably. With the 3.5mm headphone connector, this best wired gaming headset may be linked to a computer or a mobile device. The volume controls on the SATA's Mauer allow you to change and mute the audio levels using the buttons. In addition, you can push the microphone while it's not in use if you don't need it. With the help of inline controls, you can quickly adjust the headband, and it also has an L-shaped jack that makes it easier to grasp the hands. At number 3. Redragon. The Redragon H510 has a light pink earcup design with a white headband. However, because the bulk of the color is white, this headset is not ideal if you require a complete pink color. Let's look at some of the benefits of the Redragon H510 Zeus headset. The earcaps of the women's gaming headset are rectangle-shaped and a little large. The earpads are made of soft leather, making them comfortable to wear for long periods while remaining light in the ears. It has a good microphone function for a better experience, and we can state that it is the most comfortable headset with a mic function. Of course, when you don't need it, you may take the microphone out. Another essential feature of the microphone is the noise cancellation feature, which allows you to have a clear discussion with your game partners without being distracted by background noise. This best pink wired gaming headset is suitable for many devices, including computers, laptops, mobile phones, Xbox One, PS4/3, and more. It has a built-in 3.5mm USB connector and an input jack for connecting an external device to the headset. The Redragon headset also includes the buttons to control the voice levels, so you can easily mute and turn on the headset by pressing the voice control button. The headset's major characteristic is its 54mm audio drive units, which provide excellent audio quality for female gamers. At number 2. Somic. The pink Somic G951S gaming headset has a lovely style. The cute headset's two earcaps are a little larger and constructed of high-quality, comfortable leather, making them more comfortable for gaming players. The soft earpads minimize overheating and sweating, allowing you to play games for longer periods. This pink gaming headset features an adjustable frame for headbands, allowing you to customize the headset, and if you don't need the cat ears, you can take them off. It has 40mm speakers for greater audio quality, and the audio controls can be controlled by pushing the audio control buttons, which is useful when playing the game. When you play a game or listen to music, it produces a stereo sound that is accurate and natural. The charming logo may be found on both sides of the ear caps. The microphone can bend up to 360 degrees, allowing you to communicate with your friends, and the headset is light enough to be worn comfortably. It contains a 3.5mm connection for connecting the cute pink headset to other devices. Because most females prefer pink, you can give this cute pink headset to your female friends, sisters, and kids. At number 1. Somic. We've seen white and multicolor headsets, as well as a plethora of pink headsets, but now we'll learn about the adorable purple gaming headsets. The Somic Purple Female Gaming Headset has an attractive appearance, and you can customize the ear cup design to your liking. Somic Purple Cat Ear Headset is suitable for a wide range of devices, and the 3.5mm robust cable allows you to connect other devices to this Purple Cat Ear Headset. The Somic Cat Ear Headset features a magnet in the face of the ear caps, and colorful LED lights provide natural game effects, but the color of the LED lights cannot be modified. The ear caps are made of a soft leather texture, and the headset is long-lasting and low in weight so that you can wear it for a long period. It boasts a 15mm powerful speaker system that produces a rich and clean audio quality for female players. The microphone may be rotated up to 120 degrees, and the headbands can be adjusted to your desire. The microphone is single-directional, ensuring communication is clear when talking to your buddies. If you have a big budget and your favorite color is purple, the Somic Purple Cat Ear is the perfect option for you. We hope you loved the video, and please tell us which products we should review next in our comment section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.